In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty Gmail trash. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the left-hand sidebar and click More to expand the full list of folders. From the expanded list, click the trash or bin folder, depending on how it's labeled in your account. And keep in mind that messages that stay in the trash for more than 30 days are automatically deleted by Gmail. However, if you want to permanently remove them right away, you can do it manually. At the top of the message list inside the trash folder, click the blue Empty Trash Now or Empty Bin Now link. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete all messages. Click OK to confirm. This will immediately remove all emails from the trash and free up storage space. If you prefer to delete only specific emails instead of everything, click the Select checkbox in the top left corner of the toolbar to choose the messages you want to remove. After selecting the emails, click Delete Forever in the toolbar to permanently delete only those selected messages. You can try it now to make sure your trash folder is completely cleared. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.